Hello friends, today welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Friends, today I got a message from my friend. She follows me on Instagram. Her name is Tawny Colombo. So this is for you, Tawny Colombo. I'm just making all the Indian hairstyles which I did when I was growing up until now, which hairstyles I follow. So I'll be showing you a little hairstyles of my style, which I love it, and what and all clips and hair clips I use. So the first tip I'm going to give you is always when you have wet hairs, just tie a towel and a nice cotton towel which absorbs all the water, and never comb on your on your wet hair. So friends, here's my wet hairstyle look. And if I want to go out right now to any place and I'm in very urgently, I would see that I would just put my hair like this and let it dry, and I would feel that this is my coolest hairstyle too. I don't mind because I have a lot of curly hair, so it looks good on me, and I have almost gone to my workplace and all with my hairs like this, and when I would go to my workplace I would just clip it on or put a rubber band. And before somebody asks me what makeup do I use, so here I have just put a blue pencil, so I'll show you with a close-up, and it is called In the Navy 024 New York's New York color, if you all can see. And the lipstick which I'm putting is Maybelline, I guess, and it is 100 magenta color or something it says. So I put a very light makeup. This is the lipstick and this is the eyeliner which I have put. So this is the comb which I had bought it from Target, and it's known as a copper style, and it's a very broad comb. If you have wet hair, I'm just giving you a tip. This is the comb which I use for wet hair. Let me just comb my hair and I'll get back to you again. So here I've combed my hair so well, and everything is just coming out so well. See? And I'll show you from back also. This is how my hair looks. It's little damp, but it's okay. It is good to do hairstyles now. This is the hair clip which I had brought from India, and you get all these hair clips on Amazon also. So this is the clip which I use a lot. This one I use a lot. This one is a very stylish one when I have to go to some Indian party and some nice wedding or something. And this is one more clip which I use it for my church going and looking elegant, and these are just two extra clips which I can do any hairstyles with it. So this is the first hairstyle which I often do on my wet hair. So when I have gone to my workplace also, so I just take this simple clip and I just put these two clips on either of my side. I hope you all like this hairstyle which I know. So this is the first one, and I put some in the front and I look like this. Did you like this first hairstyle? So now again a second simple hairstyle. I have this clip from many years. I've been using this. So this is the second hairstyle which I'll just show. I'll just take all the hairs. I'll just hold everything together, and I'll just show you from back. So I've just taken everything so that nothing comes on my face and eyes. So I just open this and just put it back. So this is the second one. So this is a very stylish one, and it has a peacock, as you all can see, if you can focus. Can you see the peacock? I hope you all can see, and this is the clip. I love this clip when I have to go for a nice wedding or somewhere. So I just take my hair again. So I just take some hair and just hold little hair and leave the back hair just like this, just as it is. So this clip gave me a little hangover, I think, and it was making me struggle a bit But at last I just made it and found out what was the problem with it, and it looks good now. This is how it looks. So this is my third hairstyle which I often do it, and I feel I look very good in this, and I hope you all also liked. So this was my third hairstyle. Did you all like till now? Let me know all your comments below. So I take some hairs from the back and I just clip it again. I just come forward and I bring this all this hair forward and I do it a side clip. This is my side hairstyle, and I have shown you this clip, so I'll be using it over here. And always make sure that it's in the front, because many times I have done a mistake. This is my third hairstyle. So now I'm going to use the fourth or fifth one, I guess this one is. So this I had got it from one of my friends. She was from Mexico and she gifted me this, and I really love it. So for this, it is having an opening like this. So I really love it. So for this, first we have to just take all the hair, knot it and make it into a bun. I hope you all can see it well. Just make it as a bun, and this is the easiest and the most elegant one. So I just open this like this. I hope you all can see it well. Hope my camera is doing a good job. So this is the other one. How did you like this? Let me know. And did you really like this? Because this was a gift from my Mexican friend and I love her so much at my workplace. So this is how I look again. The best thing of this clip is, no friends, you can just remove it like this and all your hair falls to its normal place. So this is it. So, and now I'm going to show you, which is very favorite of mine whenever I go to India. But you get this on Amazon also with different styles and different bows. So I got this design and I really love it. I hope you can see it, and it has some diamonds on it. So I have to open the clip and it has a clip over here. So I'll just put all my hair into this clip. So I'm just putting all the hairs into the clips. Yeah, now I'll just make it again a small bun. We have to roll and roll, and when you see this bag, the net I mean, you just put everything inside, and here it looks like this. Did you all like it? So this was it, and I'm going to show you the last hairstyle which I often do when I come in the YouTube videos. So let's get started there. So this is the normal hairstyle which I do it in all my YouTube videos. So I have just taken my hair and I have just pinned it here, and now I'm doing it for the right side. So I put a pin over here now, and these two pins go like this. So here you see, so that the front hairs don't come into my eyes and my face. So I just take this. Now I just start making a plait out of it. I do it in 3 sections. So this is my 3 sections. So 1. So now I'll make a nice plait. This is my favorite one. And once it becomes off in the middle, I just turn it around and do like this, like this. This is a nice game. Chui, 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 chui. And I just take a rubber band and tie it. Here's the hair tie. I've taken a blue one this time. So here I do it like this, the blue hair tie, and leave it like this. And so this is my simple hairstyles which I often follow. And I'll show you some party going, some Indian hairstyles in the next video. I think this video should not get long, so this is the only thing which I wanted to say. And when you comb wet hair, very minimum hair comes out. See, it is hardly nothing. So this much is the only hairs which you lose. I hope you all liked my hairstyles, my Indian costume, my Indian jewelry. And here's the jewelry, and I'll show you one more good thing. I'll just wear a jewelry for the hair too. Just give me a second. This is the earring jewelry which comes like this. Here is the ring over here, and here's a clip over here if you can see it. I hope the camera is showing well. So there's a clip like hook. So I'll show you the ring which I was wearing. So this goes with the ring over here. I just put it over here. So I just take it now. I'll put it in my earring where my hole is of my ear. So I did this. So I'll be putting its back patch, the sticking thing. I don't know what they say it. So then when you see this is hanging, can you see this? The hook, there's a hook over here. So you just take it, put it on your ears like this, and the same thing I'll do with my second earring also. So here I have put for the second one also. So I just attach this also with the hook. I can't see it. So this is how it looks. This is the hair ornament. So I hope you all like it.